Here we go, traders. This is a home run on Zscaler. The low on the options on the 190 calls at 12 cents. You could have bought 10 contracts for $120, but you still be cashing in $2,400. If you bought 30 of them, you'd be up $16,000 on the 190 call at 12 cents an option. Once again, you better sign up for our program. You better check out Buy Now, Pay Later, Power Investing, set up for you. Look at, you could have bought the options at 12 cents. Now, on Zscaler, on the daily chart, we have a tremendous uptrend. We featured it right here on the 20. We've had 3 days straight up. We also bought PANW, and we did. Both are outperforming. They're both on the website and the channel. Don't miss the home runs. Those options would have paid you so much money, especially on Buy Now, Pay Later. Buy Now, Pay Later.